Hello everyone, back with me again. So in this video, I'm going to continue this portrait of my friend Evelina. So after the face is done, I usually draw hairlines before anything else. This is to make the form clearer so I could plan ahead my background. So because I love neat drawing, it's important to make the lines look super neat. That's why, as you can see, I always sketch the line first before using my 8B. And it's also important to keep the pencil super sharp, almost like a needle. I'm constantly sharpening my pencil after several strokes. And I'm doing this super slow and carefully. So the hairline is finished. The next is what I call the fun part. I use fine charcoal stick a lot in this stage. The fine charcoal makes it easier for me to make certain blocky shapes, and also it's fast to cover big areas. I don't always get the perfect shape though, so what I usually do is to cheat a little bit by fixing the shapes manually using my pencil. And in this stage, I kind of back and forth between drawing blocks and drawing hair, and then I blend them together as I see fit. So let me finish this and we'll see what I come up with. finally everything is laid down. For some of you, this might look finished, but for me, I still want to push further. You see, the face is kind of too light, and the background, I want it to look broader, a little bit heavier. But nonetheless, let's check our progression. I'm quite happy with the result. So why don't we just take a break for now and see you guys in the next video. Bye!